First reading. A reading from the Paul's second letter to the Corinthians, chapter 11, verses 18 and 21 to 30. So many people boast on merely human grounds that I shall too. I say it to your shame. Perhaps we have been too weak. Whatever bold claims anyone makes, now I'm talking as a fool. I can make them too. Are they Hebrews? So am I. Are they Israelites? So am I. Are they descendants of Abraham? So am I. Are they servants of Christ? I speak in utter folly. I am too. And more than they are, I have done more work. I have been in prison more. I have been flogged more severely, many times exposed to death. 5 times I have been given the 39 lashes by the Jews. 3 times I have been beaten with sticks. Once I was stoned. 3 times I have been shipwrecked. And once I have been in the open sea for a night and a day. Continually traveling, I have been in danger from rivers, in danger from brigands, in danger from my own people, and in danger from the Gentiles, in danger in the towns, and in danger in the open country, in danger at sea, and in danger from people masquerading as brothers. I have worked with unsparing energy for many nights without sleep. I have been hungry and thirsty, and often altogether without food and drink. I have been cold and lacked clothing, and besides all the external things, there is, day in, day out, the pressure on me of my anxiety for all the churches. If anyone weakens, I weaken as well. And when anyone is made to fall, I burn in agony myself. If I have to boast, I will boast of all the ways in which I am weak. This is the word of Lord. Thanks be to God. A reading from the Gospel according to Matthew, chapter 6, verses 19 to 23. Do not store up treasures for yourselves on earth, where moth and woodworm destroy them, and thieves can break in and steal. But store up treasures for yourselves in heaven, where neither moth nor woodworm destroys them, and thieves cannot break in and steal. For wherever your treasure is, there will be your heart be too. The lamp of the body is the eye. It follows that if your eye is clear, your whole body will be filled with light. But if your eye is diseased, your whole body will be darkness. If then the light inside you is darkened, what darkness that will be.